Good morning, everyone. In this session, we will learn about the remaining parts of the articles that have been left out in session 1. In this session, we are going to learn about the use of indefinite articles and remaining and most of it. The first thing that we are going to learn is that in this original numerical sense of 1, we will use the indefinite article in the original numerical sense. For example, 12 inches make a foot. Here the numerical value is a. Here a is used in a was sense of a certain. One evening a beggar come to my door. The here a is used now in a sense of any, to single out and the individual as the representative of class. Here the whole thing is represented as a single. For example, a pupil should obey his teacher. Although a pupil here is representing to the whole class, or uh, then also we are using a over here to make a common noun of a proper noun. A Daniel, actually a Daniel means a wise man. uh, then also we are using a over here with Daniel. Come to a judgment. Where do next is the omission of article. Omission means removal of article. Where should we not use of it? How? What are the points before names of substantial and abstract noun used in a general sense? जहाँ पे किसी भी सब्सटेंस और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाम के पहले उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता जब हम किसी इन सारी चीजों का इस्तेमाल जनरल सेंस में कर रहे होते हैं या फिर एडवाइजरी दे रहे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, शुगर इज बैड फॉर योर टीथ, बैड फॉर योर टीथ. गोल्ड इज प्रीशियस मेटल. दीज आर द थिंग्स बिफोर विच वी शुड नॉट यूज एनी आर्टिकल. Although uncountable nouns take the d when used in a particular sense, फिर भी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में दी का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कांट फॉरगेट द काइंडनेस विच ही ट्रीटेड मी. यहाँ पे काइंडनेस के पहले दी का इस्तेमाल इसलिए किया गया क्योंकि हम पर्टिकुलर उस काइंडनेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो कि किसी के द्वारा यहाँ पे ट्रीट किया गया था. Plural before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. किसी भी plural countable noun के पहले भी आर्टिकल का ओमिशन किया जाता है जहाँ पे उसका इस्तेमाल हम जनरल सेंस के लिए कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चिल्ड्रन लाइक चॉकलेट्स. फिर भी वैसे जगहों पे हम दी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जहाँ पे इसका कोई पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वे आर चिल्ड्रन. यहाँ पे जो चिल्ड्रन का इस्तेमाल किया गया वो इसलिए इसके पहले दी का इस्तेमाल किया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है वो अपने बच्चों के बारे में पूछ रहा था. उसके बाद है बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ मील यूज्ड इन द जनरल सेंस. जो 3 प्रकार के हम लोग मील लेते हैं, अगर वो जनरल सेंस में बात किया जा रहा है तो उसके पहले और कोई भी आर्टिकल नहीं लगेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिनर इज रेडी. व्हाट टाइम डू यू हैव लंच. फिर भी अगर हम उस पर्टिकुलर मील के पहले अगर कोई एडजेक्टिव लगा हुआ है तो हम उसके पहले ए का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैड अ लेट लंच टुडे. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल. द डिनर वी हैड एट द टूरिस्ट होटल वाज वेरी नाइस. तो यहाँ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्टिकुलर meal that we have taken in the tourist hotel. That is why here dinner take the before it. Before languages we do not use any article. For example, we are studying English, they speak Punjabi at home. Before school, college, university, church, bed, hospital, prison. In these places when we have visited or used for their general purpose, we do not use any article. For example, I learned French at school. We go to church to pray. These are some examples. Although the is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building or object rather than to do a normal activity that goes on there. For example, I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Here subject is talking about the place where he went to see his uncle. That is why the is used before hospital. The sixth point that we are going to learn is before names of relation like father, mother, aunt, uncle, or cook and nurse. Here, these last two words we are talking about our cook or nurse, which we are relating to. Uh, with them also we do not use any article. For example, cook has given notice, etc. Before predicating nouns denoting a unique position that is normally held at one time by one person only. Here किसी भी इंसान के द्वारा कोई अगर यूनिक पोजीशन लिया जाता है, नॉर्मली जब कोई एक आदमी एक ही पोजीशन एक समय में लेता है तो उसके पहले भी हम कोई आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वाज इलेक्टेड चेयरमैन ऑफ द बोर्ड. इट कुड बी एनी बोर्ड. In certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb followed by its object. Here we are talking about a transitive verb in a phrase which he has taken. For example, to catch fire, to leave home. These are some examples of it. In certain phrases consisting of a preposition followed by its subject. In these phrases also we do not use any article because it contains a preposition, and after it we are using its object. For example, at home, in depth, by night. In next topic we are reading the repetition of article. In this topic we will learn that how a repetition of article changes the meaning of the sentence. For example, I have a black and white dog. It means I have only one dog which is partially black and partially white. Second point is, if we say that I have a black dog and a white dog, it means that I have two dogs. One dog is black and second one is white. In next thing we will compare two sentences, that is the secretary and the treasurer is absent. In the first in this sentence it is clearly indicates the post of secretary and treasurer is held by one person. As soon as we will compare this second sentence, it will the secretary and the treasurer are absent. It means the second sentence indicate that the two posts are held by two different people. So we see that when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the is used ordinarily used before the first only. But when two or more connected noun refers to two different person or thing, the is used before each, as done in sentence number 2, where secretary and treasurer both contains the before it. After that we say that the third and the fourth chapter, or the third and fourth chapters. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used for the first one only. अगर कंपैरिजन में दो नाउन किसी एक ही आदमी के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं तो हम सिर्फ पहले वाले नाउन के साथ ही आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल, द आर्टिकल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ही इज अ बेटर मैकेनिक देन क्लर्क. ही इज अ बेटर poet than novelist. But if we refer different person or thing, the article must be used with each noun. He is a better mechanic than a clerk. He would make a better statesman than a philosopher. These are something we should maintain in articles. This is the last topic that you have to learn, and thank you for watching this video. Be safe, remain at home.